Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to do a technical video for you guys on the Teba. This is the T21 model. This is going to be a hydro boiler model. So this system here is going to be shown set up, okay? So if you are purchasing a hydro model, it is not going to come with any of these items, but I'm going to explain to you the system up close and how it works. So your two top ports here are going to be used for domestic hot water. That would be if you want to have clean water to heat your showers, your sinks, etc. This is not a part of the boiler radiator system. Now, if you don't want to do any domestic hot water, you can cap these systems right here. You'd cap the top and the bottom, and then not hook any water to it. Okay, now that's only for domestic hot water. You are required to connect water for your radiators because, again, this is a hydro heater, a boiler model. Your hot water inlet for your radiators is going to come in the bottom here. This is mandatory to have a connection here, okay? Then I'm going to show you how the system works. This is your expansion tank that gets connected here. This is a required component for your hydro, for your boiler heating. On the top, this is going to be your air control. So to set this, you want it to be completely closed, and then you can adjust your chain from here with it closed, okay? So you simply pull it up and do that, but you want to make sure that this knob is all the way closed before you make any adjustments. Your pump system is going to be located here directly at the bottom of the unit. Again, your pump is a required item because this is a hydro model. The pump is required to circulate the water through the system. The other item that's going to be required is going to be up here at the top. This item at the top is your air valve, okay? It's basically like an air release valve that controls the pressure. Your pressure should not exceed 3 bars on this particular unit, and that's what this is going to do. So there's a little valve here to release the airflow. As the water heats up, if it gets too full, this will release the water. This is a mandatory item. Now I'm going to go back down and talk about the domestic hot water, which is optional. Okay, so these two ports here could be capped. Now if you're going to add them, then you do need to have the mixing valve, which is going to be this item shown in here on the top, okay? The mixing valve is basically a Khalifi valve, which we do sell these valves. This is going to bring cold water into your system to keep your domestic hot water from boiling over and overheating in the system. Now, this bottom port here is going to be a pressure reduction valve, okay? Because the water for domestic hot water coming out can be too much pressure. So this is basically a pressure reduction. And that is going to be your plumbing system on the Teba T21. I hope that you guys found this product overview helpful and this technical information helpful. If you guys like these videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.